Hi, this is a tutorial on how to get to Eureka World Beta. I'm in Firestorm, which is a OpenSim world viewer. You can also get into Second Life as well from this viewer. You go to www.firestormviewer.org/downloads, download the version that works for your computer. That link will be in the description box below the video. Now I have downloaded my version, and actually I use this for a number of other things. What I want to do now is follow the instructions that are available in the wall board on Dr. Elaine Hoter's presentation for August 6th. And the first thing we need to do once we download Firestorm is to go to the viewer and click Preferences. And in Preferences, we want to open the OpenSim tab. Here's the OpenSim tab down here at the bottom. And we want to add a new grid. So we're going to be adding a particular set of numbers, which is the location of the new grid. And the numbers are 52, period, 18, period, 185, period, 60, colon, 8002. Once we've done that, we click Apply. And you'll see here it is here, Eureka World 52.18.185.60, colon, 8002. Now that we have that new grid on our list, we want to choose that grid, and here's all its information, and we want to click OK. Now, we want to get into Elaine's class, so we're going to type our username and separated with a space between. Now, she has set up 20 usernames called guest. The first 10 of them are boy usernames, and boy avatars, and the second group is girl avatars. So I'm going to do guest 11, and I think that's going to give me and I'm going to enter a password. And the password is, find the password, hold on a second. So the date is August 6th, and the time is 10 a.m. SLT, which is 1 p.m. Eastern. And like any other browser, you can click on something, and it's similar to the very first SL browser, so you get a little round pie instead of a menu. So you right click on the object, and then you left click on the option, and you can sit in the chair. So that's pretty cool. Now remember, there's not so many avatars, so I would say come along about a half an hour ahead. And here's your stand thing down at the bottom. Come along a half an hour ahead and just check it out and leave your avatar there. Now remember, I will also be in world videoing Dr. Hoter's presentation on what she does in this world. The presentation is called Connecting Cultures in Virtual Worlds. And you'll also be able to see this tour of her land by coming along with us. So that's the tutorial, and I hope we see you tomorrow in the Eureka World Beta Sim, and we will have available to you these instructions. But generally, you can follow what I've done in this video, and I'll also put a link below to where you can pick up the instructions for the world. So it's in the wall board in the virtual MOOC section, and it's also going to be available on the Facebook page probably for the VW MOOC group. So see you tomorrow, well, later today. It's 2 a.m. On Monday the 6th already in my house. So in about 2 a.m. Eastern, and in about 9 hours, we will be having this session. So Monday, August 6th with Elaine Hoter, connecting cultures through virtual worlds. at 10 a.m. Second Life time and 1 p.m. Eastern. See you there. Bye now.